Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma Glass effect. First, open Figma and select the shape you want to apply the effect to. Then, navigate to the Fill section in the right sidebar and set its transparency. Next, go to the Effects section and add a layer blur. Adjust the blur radius to achieve your desired look. This foundational step is crucial for any glass design. To enhance your glass effect, consider adding an inner shadow. This creates a perception of thickness and separation from the background. Also, apply a background blur to the elements behind your glass object. This helps simulate how real glass distorts what's behind it. Play with various blend modes like overlay or soft light on your fill layer to achieve unique visual textures and reflections. For a truly realistic glass effect, reflections and highlights are essential. Create a new shape, like a rectangle or ellipse, and apply a linear gradient with varying opacities of white or a light color. Position this over your glass object to simulate light bouncing off the surface. For highlights, use small, white shapes with low opacity. Experiment with their placement and size to mimic natural light sources. When creating glass effects, avoid overblurring, as it can make your design look muddy instead of clear. Always ensure there's enough contrast between your glass element and the background for readability. Remember, less is often more for a sophisticated look. Also, for those looking to upgrade their home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Keep practicing these techniques to master the art of Figma Glass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.